Hello, Facebook Live. What's happening? Marcus here. Busy working, like really busy working right now. Appointments all day long here at the restaurant. But I want to talk about our next wine dinner. A lot of you have been asking about our wine dinners. Our wine dinners are super popular right now. We do four wines and one dish for $25. It's every other Monday. And the rare occasion that like last week 2 weeks ago we did Movia, and Movia wines are very expensive, so we raised the price a little bit to $35, but still an amazing deal for what you get because those wines on our list are $80 and up. So, if you're tuning in live right now, just drop a comment, #live. If you like wine, definitely drop a comment about wine. Please do. I'm going to talk about our next wine dinner. So the wine dinners happen every other Monday. We do 4 wines and 1 dish, $25. It's an amazing bargain. Hello, everybody tuning in. Hi, Susan. Hi, Joel. Hi, Heather. Hey, Calvin. What's going on? So 4 wines, 1 dish, $25. These sell out like crazy. And people always ask me, well, what are you doing? What are the wines? What are the wines? Because sometimes I don't post the wines. I honestly don't post the wines because honestly I don't know sometimes until we get closer to the event. So I know the wines for next week, for this upcoming Monday, because I'm drinking them right now. And I'm going to do a quick rundown of the wines for you to hopefully entice you to call and make a reservation to come to this. So people have been asking us, before I go over the wines, people have been asking us, Marcus, when were you going back outside to the garden to do your wine dinners? Because we started them last year in the garden. As soon as the weather cooperates, we will be outside. We have a new tent. It's a bigger tent. It's a 20 by 30 tent, 600 square feet as opposed to 400 square feet. We have a bigger tent. We have more space under the tent. We have more tables out there. We've maneuvered things around. I have more umbrellas. The garden is going to rock and roll this summer, I promise. It's going to be amazing. We've got some really cool things going on. We're planning a crawfish boil. People have been asking about crawfish boils. We're definitely going to do a crawfish boil on a Sunday, and that we have it in the street, Ellenville streets. We're going to definitely rock and roll with it out there. So the wines for this week. I've just drank all the wines for this that we're doing to go through and do my tasting here. So really interesting wines. João Perez. João Perez is a muscatel. Now, most times when you think of muscatel or muscat, you think of a sweet wine. João Perez, we had this wine on our list literally like 17 years ago, and we just found it again with a new distributor. João Perez from Portugal, from Setúbal. Setúbal is a region. Dry muscatel. This wine is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing, this dry muscatel. Do not think it's traditional muscatel or moscato when you drink this. This is vinified dry. It's awesome. It's from the peninsula of Setúbal in Portugal. We have a lot of Portuguese influence this time. In fact, 3 out of 4 of the wines are from Portugal. We're going to start with a rosé, 2020 rosé from, what region is this from? Oh, Vinho Verde. It's Vinho Verde. The Vinho Verde, slight effervescence. That's what I'm having a glass of right now. Jamie and I just did a nice wine tasting here with about 12 or so wines. And that's how we're picking the wines right now. So then we're going to roll into the Caracol, which is from Spain. And what do we have in here? Granada.
75% Monastrell.
75% Monastrell, also known as Mourvedre, if you're talking in the French world. Really awesome wines. Most of these wines, you're going to be able to walk out of here and buy bottles of them at a great price because you can, we're allowed to sell you wine now. To go buy the full bottle. If you want to buy a case, you can buy a case. And the EA, which is a blend of Aragones, Alicante, and a bunch of other things. Syrah, really some great stuff in this bottle. Bold red wine from Portugal. So 3 Portuguese wines, 1 Spanish wine this Monday night. $25, 4 wines and a dish. It's a great bargain. I don't know what the dish is going to be yet. I have no idea what the dish is going to be yet, but we'll do something fun, interesting. As always, it's a great value. Basically, you get 2 glasses of wines and a dish for $25. If I knew of a place that was doing that, I'd go there. Jamie and I would totally be there for 4 wines and a dish for $25. So, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate the support. Really appreciate the support. And we couldn't do it without you. Today's Earth Day. This morning, Jamie and I donated 50 trees to the Appalachian Mountain Range for Earth Day. the Earth, the environment. Earth Day. It's 51 years old, the anniversary today of Earth Day. So we planted 51 trees in the Appalachian Mountain Range, as close as we can get to our area. Appalachian Mountain Range goes from Georgia all the way up to Maine. And the restaurants, unfortunately, are one of the biggest culprits to the environment between the food we produce, package, grow, ship, and waste. The food that we waste, restaurants in general, is atrocious. So, everybody, thanks for the stars, by the way. Who just sent me stars? Janet sent me stars. I'm still unfamiliar with the stars. I guess you have to pay for stars. I guess at some point Facebook's going to send me this big check for all these stars that you send me. I don't know. Maybe they're like a penny each. I don't know. If anybody's around right now and you want to come taste this wine, stop in. The back door is open. The back door is open right now. Stop in, come in, taste some wine with us. Hello, Esteban. Esteban sent us 150 stars. Awesome, Esteban. Thank you. We appreciate that. Our check's getting bigger and bigger from Facebook. So, yeah. Might be able to go on vacation if I save it up. Hi, Maribel. Maribel's watching. Thanks for tuning in. Joel, Janet. Hi, Karen. Karen will be here Monday night. I'm assuming Karen will be here Monday night for our wine dinner. Ellenville Streets will be opening after Cinco de Mayo. A little confusion with the village, the restaurants, Department of Transportation, Liquor Authority, all that kind of stuff. But we're going to launch it after Cinco de Mayo weekend. So Mother's Day weekend, I believe, or the weekend after. We're getting together and we're talking about all that kind of stuff right now. So check that out. The streets will be closed, the block, but open for dining. A lot of fun things going on. That is it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate the support, Jamie and I, and we could not be doing without you. And we'll talk to you later.